Let me introduce you to vibration dampers in HVAC. Air compressor on Dynemech single spring isolator to reduce vibration and noise transmission. DG set installed on wedge mounts to provide effective vibration isolation. Chillers on Dynemech spring isolators with viscous damping. Blowers on suspended floor on Dynemech round spring elements with viscous damping. 2250 kVA genset, 15500 kg on restrained spring isolator. With safety viscous damping. Reciprocating air compressor on Dynemech single spring isolator. Motor on Dynemech Flexifoot mounts, series DGF. Cummins 125 kVA genset on Dynemech spring isolators. Air compressor on single spring isolator. Air compressor on suspended floor installed on single spring isolator. Reciprocating air compressor installed on Dynemech round spring elements with viscous damping on a suspended slab. Air compressor installed on Dynemech screw support mounts series DLC. Dehumidifier on Dynemech single spring isolator installed on a suspended floor. PLC panel on Dynemech pneumatic vibration isolator. Scrubber system on Dynemech pneumatic vibration isolator. Scrubber system on Dynemech double spring isolator. Ingersoll Rand air compressor on Dynemech single spring isolator. Air compressor on screw support mount, series DLK. Compressor on Dynemech taper shim leveling mounts, series TSPOH. Diesel genset on Dynemech. Spring isolator. Genset on Dynemech spring isolator. Genset on Dynemech spring isolator. Generator on Dynemech single spring isolator. Panel on Dynemech screw support mounts, series DLC. Diesel genset on Dynemech. Spring isolator. Dynemech Systems manufactures a wide range of vibration isolators and mounts for HVAC equipment and systems. Enhance the performance and durability of your HVAC systems with Dynemech's most affordable anti-vibration solutions.
If you have an HVAC system, we have the perfect vibration control solution for you.
Do call us at +91 981076031 for further details. Thank you.